Opening an nsave account is now easier and faster than ever. First, open the nsave app. You'll see two options: log in and sign up. Select Sign Up. Next, enter your WhatsApp number and select Sign Up. You'll receive a verification code on your WhatsApp. Enter the code here to continue. Now, select your country and nationality. Enable notifications and select Continue. Create a password. Make sure your password follows the required guidelines, then select Continue. Enter your email address and select Create Account. Now you'll see 3 steps to complete your onboarding. It will take less than 3 minutes. Step 1. Build your profile. Answer the following questions accurately to get set up as quickly as possible, such as your employment status, your job sector, your industry, your primary source of income, your monthly income range, your primary usage, your expected monthly transactions, and choose your account currency. Finally, set a 4-digit PIN. Your profile setup will be complete. Step 2. Verify address. Select Continue and enter your address details carefully. Then select Confirm. Step 3. Verify identity. Select Upload ID or passport, then select Get Started. You'll complete 3 steps: ID verification, name and date of birth, and a liveness check. Select I am ready. Select the country that issued your ID or passport. You can verify using either a government-issued ID card or a passport. Here, we'll use an ID card. Select ID card. Capture clear images of the front and back of your ID. Then select Continue with this photo. Enter your name and date of birth exactly as shown on your ID. Select Next. For the liveness check, carefully read the instructions and select I am ready. Once the camera opens, keep your face centered and move slightly forward and backward as instructed. Make sure your camera remains steady. Now select Continue to submit your verification request. Within a few seconds, your details will be verified. Then select Review and Confirm. Carefully read the terms and conditions. Check the box and select Accept and Continue. Review all the information you provided. If everything is correct, select Confirm. Within seconds, your information will be verified, and your nsave account onboarding process will be complete. That's how you can easily open your nsave account. Thank you.